Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our basic dry cleaning services and find it useful.
Sudsies Dry Cleaners combines decades of dry cleaning expertise with cutting-edge dry cleaning technology. And the best people in the business, from the front of house to the artisans who lovingly clean your garments, all this to ensure your garments receive the very best care possible. Since 1996, we've been committed to making our South Florida guests look and feel their best by offering meticulous attention to detail and a wide range of services tailored to their unique wardrobe. Whether it's everyday wear or bespoke couture, we treat every item with the highest level of care, using eco-friendly methods and a personalized approach that guarantees satisfaction. Your clothes look impeccable, so you always step out with confidence. That's part of the Sudsies difference. The process when dry cleaning is picked up or brought into one of Sudsies' boutiques, the process is designed to ensure that each garment receives the highest level of care.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.